play music in Discord mobile. So if you want to play music in your Discord mobile, then first you need to open up your Discord application. In your Discord, make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, now you need to simply have a bot. So make sure to have a bot on your server, and once you're here, you can simply tap on the general, and then if you have the bot, then you can simply type for slash play, and then here you will have your commands. So simply tap on the first option, and then you need to enter the playlist or the song name, and then the person who sang that song or the singer name. And once you enter the information, simply tap on the send button, and once you've sent, now you will have the music, and you can play the music in your Discord mobile. So make sure that you are into the voice channel, and once you're on the voice channel, then you can simply have this command or type this command and then send, and you will have the music that you want to play. So that's how you can play music in your Discord mobile, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.